Just slide your leg over. There you go.
Oh, he's a good one.
Okay. Okay, you up there?
A little
And
taller
hold
than
on right
Pixie,
here.
huh?
You hold there. Okay.
You gonna take a little walk?
Here, you holding
Now
there?
that's tight.
He's kind of holding.
Are you holding?
Am I supposed to be?
You want to walk with him, and he'll be fine if you just walk
Okay.
next to him.
I need to go on the other side. Which way you walking?
Go
So
ahead.
there's not. I'm not
Walk
in
in
the
a
video.
circle.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Here, we'll hold from this side. Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Don't go to that one.
Give him 10 years.
I know, right? That's awesome. That's a stud.
He's a pretty boy.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, we got a fart out of him.
Scooting back there.
Or you got your seat?
She rides a Pixie on a saddle, right? I mean,
Yeah.
just lead
Oh
along.
yeah.
Yeah.
Raven could get on Pixie.
Yeah.
I like the fact that the other one is ready to get broke. You know, for my weight and my.
Yeah.
Not that I don't like my horse. Don't get me wrong. It's not
No, but
that.
it's a long time before you
I can do anything on with my weight.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.